guys! Happy New Year and it's so mahangin! Hi everyone! Happy New Year! My name is Ren. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back to my channel, my beautiful squadrons. Thank you very much po. Maraming salamat for my wonderful 2018 with you guys, and let's start our 2019 with an early summer getaway. Yes po! Andito ako ngayon sa Pampangon Beach in Barobo. Let's explore the beach together because it's also my first time here. But before that, let me share with you my experience yesterday afternoon because we went to Bugak Lagoon and it was so beautiful. So, take a look. That's the Bugak. And I will show you later on the other side, mas maganda. So, look how beautiful the Bugak is. Okay, so just for 10 pesos, you will enjoy it unlimited. Here, super clean, super fresh kasi meron siyang ano tawag nito? Spring. So, in that part, meron siyang spring na lumalabas and super lamig ng water. Oh, I love Barobo na.
Feel na feel ang summer, oh.
Join me in my jacuzzi. Summer na summer sa atin.
Oo.
Pero pagpunta namin, ang daming amlak ng alon.
Oh. Diba?
Hoy, ang piyan. Jacuzzi ko to. Diba?
Oh, diba?
May sarili akong pool. Pero mahirap kasi maalon. Lakas ang alon.
Sana makapunta tayo doon mamaya.
If you would like to experience calm ocean and less wind, pumunta daw kayo dito ng by May, so during summer talaga, and up to September. So from September to gumagalaw-galaw yung camera ko kasi sobrang hangin talaga, and for sure naririnig niyo din yung strong wind. Oh, there's also a part, an island here in Barobo, and they call it Cabgan Beach or Cabgan Island. So I think that's the island that they're promoting for the tourists to visit. So hopefully makapunta kami ngayon kasi sabi ko nga medyo mahangin today and it's kind of risky na pumunta doon kung maliliit lang na bangka yung dadalhin. So maliit lang yung bangka na pagmamay-ari ng pinsan ng friend ko. So pero sana makapunta kami.